On the first night after the Russian barbaric strike on a children's hospital in Kiev, Ukrainians began their revenge. Overnight, Ukrainian long-range drones attacked several targets inside Russia. Lukoil's Kalachevskaya oil depot blew up from Ukrainian drone strikes in Volgograd region. Russian propagandists wrote that the drones flew one by one, and locals heard about 10 explosions.
Летит еще один дрон.
It is also reported that 2 transformers at an electrical substation in Rostov region of Russia caught fire. Massive warehouse full of apatite nepheline concentrate is on fire in Kirovsk-Murmansk region, used for manufacture of phosphate fertilizers. The building itself is reportedly 56 meters tall. Lots of explosions in Belgorod also. Also in Kursk, air defense is operating. In both regions, UAVs are also roaming the skies. A significant number of Ukrainian UAVs have been spotted in Znamensk and Akhtubinsk in the Astrakhan region, which houses a major military training ground and airfield.
Сбили нахуй дрон вот тут, ебать, сверху нахуй. Бахда на лицо, уйди нахуй потом. Все в дыму нахуй. Ебануться, у меня руки трясутся. Он все горит из-за того, что сбили дрон.
A Russian VDV soldier when meeting a Ukrainian drone. The Russian soldier is completely dumbfounded with his hairdryer. He decided to cross himself. Good luck. Putin speaking today. He definitely already knows about the destroyed hospitals in Kyiv, about the dead, the vile smile of a cannibal. By now, we know of 36 people killed and 140 wounded as a result of a massive missile strike on Ukraine by the Russian armed forces.
Нам есть что показать, есть чем гордиться. Но это не все. Важно красиво и талантливо это преподнести. И у вас это получилось. Вам большое спасибо.
But Russian terrorists didn't stop there. Unknown persons poisoned water brought to Akhmatit Children's Hospital during rescue operations, resulting in chemical burns and poisoning for volunteers and policemen who drank it. The water resembled supermarket water but had a different label. Law enforcement is investigating the case. Russian propagandists and officials insist that their attack on a children's hospital in Kyiv was a bloody staging. Obviously, these people have no morals, although that's not particularly new information. They said exactly the same about Mariupol, Bucha, dozens of other cities, and hundreds of thousands of people they destroyed. Rubbing hands with these people is beyond disgraceful. Just a few hours after the tragedy at Akhmadet, the Ukrainian Ministry of Foreign Affairs organized a flow of diplomatic tourists there. Neither military experts nor specialists in monitoring such events were seen among those who visited the site of the staged tragedy. There are no reasoned official conclusions about the causes of the tragedy. Ordinary representatives of diplomatic missions were brought there to carry out psychological treatment and take photographs at the site of destruction. Among those visiting the site of the bloody staging were representatives of EU, NATO, UN OCHR, UNDP, UNICEF, Azerbaijan, Austria, Argentina, Armenia, Vietnam, Greece, Indonesia, Spain, Italy, Canada, Mexico, Moldova, the Netherlands, Norway, North Macedonia, Poland, the Holy See, Slovakia, Slovenia, Sudan, Turkey, Finland, France, Czech Republic, Montenegro, Switzerland, Sweden, Japan. The vast majority of the countries that sent their representatives to gaze at the destruction should meet in the very near future in the United States at a NATO summit, where they will try to use the emotional intensity of the bloody staging to squeeze new funds and weapons from the taxpayers of their countries to continue the bloodshed in Ukraine. Hungarian Prime Minister Orban on how it is impossible to imagine losing to Russia. For Putin, everything is simple. Look at the facts, energy sources, population. Putin can't lose. It's very logical. If you look at the soldiers, weapons, and technology used in the war, defeating Russia is a thought that is hard to even imagine. The likelihood of whether Russia can be defeated at all is impossible to calculate. Well, we're told emotions won't help. Realism, common sense, and calculations are what's required. Common sense tells us that Russia lost the day it attacked Ukraine. The question now is whether Ukraine can survive, or will Russia drag us down with it? I say, look at Ukraine. Look at Ukrainians. I have faith in Ukraine and Ukrainian future.
Das ist ganz einfach. Man muss sich die Realitäten anschauen, die Energiequellen, die Zahl der Menschen. Putin kann nicht verlieren, das ist sehr logisch. Wenn man sich Soldaten, Ausrüstung und Technologie anschaut, die im Krieg eingesetzt werden. Russland zu besiegen ist ein Gedanke, der schwer vorstellbar ist. Die Wahrscheinlichkeit, dass Russland tatsächlich besiegt werden könnte, ist völlig unkalkulierbar. So habe ich die Frage an beide Staats- und Regierungschefs gestellt. Besteht die Möglichkeit, einen zeitlich begrenzten Waffenstillstand zu vereinbaren, der die Friedensgespräche beschleunigen könnte? Und dann von beschleunigten Friedensgesprächen zu profitieren. Denn jetzt denken alle genau anders herum. Zuerst müssen wir ein Friedensabkommen schließen. Und wenn wir das haben, können wir einen Waffenstillstand haben. Beide waren sich nicht sicher. Die Ukrainer und die Russen haben genau das Gleiche gesagt wie Sie. Ein Waffenstillstand sei nur im Interesse des Gegners. Denn währenddessen könnte dieser sich neu ordnen, um sich auf die Fortsetzung des Krieges vorzubereiten.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.